Hybrid water heaters have become increasingly popular because of their high-efficiency design. With all the options springing up on the market, which one provides the best value? Our experts researched and reviewed the 3 top-rated hybrid water heaters on the market. We'll explain the differences between each model to find you the best fit and get the hot water flowing. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall is the A.O. Smith Voltex Hybrid Electric Water Heater. A.O. Smith has been the leading brand in residential and commercial water heaters for many years. Its Voltex series of water heaters are especially known for using hybrid technology that offers energy-saving benefits because they're capable of heating water while cooling and dehumidifying the surrounding air. The system features a 3.24 energy factor rating for maximum energy conservation, and it meets Energy Star qualifications. The Voltex A.O. Smith Hybrid Water Heater is specifically designed to use both a heat pump and electric heating elements to ensure efficiency no matter what the demand. On regular days, the heater uses the heat pump to provide hot water around the house, but when the demand goes up, the 2 electric heating elements are activated to keep the hot water supply consistent. The 50-gallon tank also stores hot water on demand so that you can keep your operating costs low. In fact, the Voltex Hybrid Water Heater can give you up to 70% in energy savings. What also makes this series unique from its competition is that you can choose from 3 different sizes of storage tanks, 50, 66, and 80 gallons, so you can choose one that fits the demands of your household. With the hybrid water heater, you can enjoy up to 55 minutes of shower time with 3 showers in the house used simultaneously. A.O. Smith says that the Voltex Hybrid Hot Water Heater can help you save up to $350 annually or $3,500 within the 10-year warranty period. The pros are the heat pump and electric heating combination, the industry-leading 10-year warranty, up to 70% in energy savings, and the 3.24 efficiency rating even during high demand. The cons are that it can take up a bit of floor space depending upon what capacity you pick, and it has a slightly higher price than less efficient options. Next is our runner-up, the Square D Stiebel Eltron Hybrid Water Heater. If you're looking for a hybrid water heater that can accommodate the demands of a large household, the 80-gallon Stiebel Eltron water heater fits the bill perfectly. Stiebel is one of the largest sellers of heat pump water heaters for more than 30 years now, with all its products created in Germany. It promises up to 80% energy cost savings with its efficient heat pump system and a large capacity tank that ensures a consistent hot water supply even during busy hours. What makes Stiebel Eltron unique is that its hybrid water heater doesn't rely on backup for heating water. Instead, it runs on the heat pump most of the time to maintain efficiency and ensure that your energy consumption doesn't just skyrocket when you have a lot of people using the shower at home. But the heater is also equipped with a single resistant element on top of the tank that offers backup heating when the heat pump needs it. The tank itself is also super insulated to avoid any standby losses that could mean a waste of energy. With an energy factor of 3.05, the Stiebel Eltron 80-gallon hybrid water heater may not be as efficient as the A.O. Smith, but it's a good investment if you need a high-volume heater that can last you for many years. The pros are the high-capacity 80-gallon tank, the 3.05 energy factor rating, the super insulated tank, and up to 80% energy cost savings. The cons are that it may require professional install help and a more premium-priced option because of the large size. And at number 3 is the best compact model, the Triangle Tube Phase 3 Indirect Water Heater. It may be smaller as compared to the other hybrid water heaters on this list, but the Triangle Tube Hybrid 36-gallon water heater doesn't fall short on features. Being the first to introduce indirect water heating technology with its tank-in-tank heat exchanger design that boasts of up to twice as much heat transfer surface to maintain high energy efficiency. This system also guarantees up to 3 times as fast hot water recovery times as compared to traditional electric or gas water heaters, which means that you can guarantee a consistent hot water supply in your household even during high demands. The tank itself is also highly insulated with 2 inches of polyurethane foam to prevent heat loss. The Triangle Tube Smart 40 Hybrid Hot Water Heater is ideal for a small household because of its 36-gallon capacity, and it offers the lowest pressure drop among all the tanks in the market. In terms of longevity, the Triangle Tube Smart 40 Hybrid Water Heater can last up to 20 years, which is twice as long as traditional electric, gas, or oil water heaters on the market. And at its price point, you know that you're getting a good deal out of this heater. The pros are its tank-in-tank heat exchange technology. It's ideal for smaller homes or RVs. It has a faster hot water recovery time, and a 20-year lifespan. The cons are its lower water storage capacity. Don't forget to check the description box below for more water heater information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.